Mondo should be on his way home from work already. Right now I'm just going to put a little bit of makeup on and we're gonna head out. Leilani wants to go to Target and I think she said Ulta. I think we're gonna get my laptop and then we'll go to Target, just like work our way down back home because everything is kind of far from here. Target is pretty close to Mondo's job and all of that, but he's gonna have to come home. Then we'll go over there, and I guess I'm gonna drive because he's been on his feet all day. I'm pretty sure he's tired, so I will drive. Even though I don't like driving at night, but I'll do it. I'll do it. Foundation time.
I'm invading.
Invading my privacy?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so excited. I'm torn between these or what you have there, little lady? Oops. Makeup stuff and a little fan. What's that so cute? Oh, these are these ones. Oh my god, what did you find? No. Stop it. Stop. Right? How much were those? 25 bucks?
25 bucks.
That's cool.
So boom, Vans. Boom, boom. Better fit.
All up in the face.
This is next, guys.
Me personally.
This one here, little under. Yeah.
Okay, that was so
And
unnecessary.
then these right here.
Those are nice.
Where's my shirt? My shirt.
Treasure hunts of treasure hunts for whopping $32.
But it's just what? Like a music player? Like you already have your little table, but...
What? This is cool.
So basically, I got this little fan so like I could dry my setting spray and stuff extra fast. And then I got this shirt because I'm gangster. And then for my vanityness.
No, those are really cute.
Yep.
Maybe you could share one. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I have my own sponges.
And then the cutest ever, Hello Kitty. It's coquette and pink. It has art because like Valentine's Day. Yep, so cute. Okay, bye.
Okay. We picked her up. So pretty.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, she's thin.
She's so thin. Look.
Why is it so skinny?
Here she is. It's ready to be set up. I went to put on my cozy clothes, but I'm still trying to set up my new MacBook. I'm so excited. Isn't it so pretty? She's so beautiful. I'm just trying to get all my passwords good, and yeah, I'm gonna get a new background or wallpaper, whatever. But that's what I'm doing. What else did I do? I got a few things at Target. I'm gonna try this mascara. We'll see how it works. And then I got these I think it's a lip cream. I'm not sure. I haven't used anything from ColourPop in a very long time. I don't know if it's a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick, but it was on clearance for like $4. Let's see what I said. Ultra, it's an ultra blotted lip. I don't know what that is, but the color, let's see. So cute. Definitely the type of color that I use. So that was a good purchase. I'll try it out tomorrow. But yeah, Mondo's shaving his arm because he's gonna get a tattoo tomorrow. So he's doing his own thing. I'm just here. I'm gonna play with my MacBook and maybe watch a movie. But I'm tired. We ended up going to Target. We went out to eat. We went to Ross and TJ Maxx, and Leilani and Mondo shopped a little bit. AJ is at his friend's house and he's sleeping over. We'll get him tomorrow morning. And that's pretty much it for this Saturday night. Out of ice, so I couldn't do more shots, and we'll see. Tastes like leche con café instead of coffee with milk, so it will do for now, but I will definitely need another one later on, so I need to make more ice right now. My mom brought me some teleras, so I'm gonna make me and Leilani a torta for a late lunch. I also have a rotisserie chicken in the oven. I'm heating it up and I'm gonna make either a chicken salad or a chicken salad and flautas for dinner. That's what I'm thinking. It's already 2. I'm not sure when Mondo's gonna get here because I don't think he's done with his tattoo, but AJ wants some curly fries and I really don't want to leave the house anymore, so I'll just have him bring some on his way back. But for now, let's cook and I'll show you what I'm making real quick. let's open. Let's open the little packages here. What do we have here? I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna make Leilani some new nails soon. She didn't take off her nails, so. But yeah, these are little flowers and bows, pearls, I think, and just like little rhinestones. And what else did I get? Well, I got some nail polishes. Let's see. I'm trying out new brands and I'm looking for new nude shades. Is this a cat eye? Oh yeah. I'm finally gonna try the cat eye polish. So it comes with the little magnet. And this is the one that I chose. It's supposed to be good for all like colors. It just looks like a silver polish. And let's see. This is a gel polish. It's a really pretty like nude pink color. And then the last one. Let's see. Oh, this is more like mauve pink. We'll give it a try soon. They look really pretty. The last thing I got are chargers. So this is a pack of 2 fast chargers. AJ needed a new one because he's always losing his. Oh! Look, I didn't even realize it came with 3. So it comes with 3 little boxes and cables. I feel like I'm always buying chargers, but that's all I got from Amazon this time. Nail stuff and phone chargers. Can't talk. That's it. We couldn't record in there because it was so crowded, it was so tiny, and I just got very nervous. So we got coffee. Mando ended up taking my coffee as per usual because I always know how to order better than him.
You guys actually switched?
It's called, yeah.
No.
Because he tried mine. He tried mine and he said, it's so good. This is Mexican
Chocolate latte.
Mexican chocolate latte. He got it iced and I got an horchata latte. It was kind of sweet, so this is fine. That's what we're doing.
It was so pretty.
Waiting for the goofs to come out because they went to this like little Lego store. After here, I think we're gonna go to Target and maybe grab some lunch. We are still waiting on these guys to come out of the Lego shop.
Let me show you the cute pics I took yesterday with my friends.
Show me.
Oh.
I'm not recording your face. Jeez, my child does not want me to record her.
Okay.
What time is it?
12:42.
We've been here for like 15 minutes. Honestly, the little coffee shop was overrated, so we threw away our stuff. Leilani didn't even like her hot cocoa.
It was so mad.
And they got a brownie, and even that they didn't like. So that was our little coffee adventure this morning.
It sucked. Don't go.
Final creations.
Yeah.
But I thought it was like in your skin.
Yeah, but I mean, it's still.
Look at how crusty it looks, guys.
No,
Don't get a tattoo.
Don't look at it.
Don't do it.
Don't recommend.
Do you like it?
Hey, you don't know that. Okay, empty basket right now. What are we looking for?
I like this powder. It comes in the palette. It's so good.
Do some lashes in there.
We're back home from Sunday Fun Day finally. And I want to try these things we got. We found these at Target. I've been wanting to try the watermelon. We've tried the peach and mango. Let's see. It's really good. Leilani was the one that got the most things. She got lashes, makeup remover wipes, micellar water, can't even talk, and a setting spray. So that's what she got. Then we just got shampoo. These body washes smell so good. It smells like mango smoothie. So good. And then we just got a bunch of sponges. And that was it. I didn't get anything for myself. It was just Leilani. But it was our little Target trip. And Izzy got some soccer ball. I like it. Here, try one. These are the best, huh?
Like it's like you taste it as soon as you bite it.
So good. That's all we got. We had a pretty good day. And it's 4 o'clock now. I'm just waiting for my grocery order to be ready so I can go pick it up. That's it right now. I have to work on an Etsy order that I have to ship out tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. So I wanted to say for this video, it's going to be a little bit all over the place because I have footage from last weekend, and that was intended to be like my first vlog, but I ended up switching it up. I recorded a different video a few days later, made an introduction, and put that one up. So this video is going to include last weekend, and I'm gonna see how I'm able to just put it all together and make it work, but I still feel like it might be a little bit all over the place. I just want to mention that. Not that it really matters right now, but just saying. So anyways, like I said, I'm working on these nails. It is about to be 6. I'm gonna do as much as I can, relax for a little bit, finish it off before I go to bed, and I think that's just gonna be my Sunday. Honestly, I feel like today was really good. We haven't been out like that, just trying new places in quite some time. We live in a place that's very cute, has a lot of cute places, and just it's a little different. It's more of a small town feel, but yeah, it was a really great day. I feel good about it, and I feel ready to start the week. But yeah, the kids had fun, and it was good because their phones died, so we were able to get a lot of conversation out of the kids today and just really enjoy time with them. And that's how our weekend went. Right now I'm gonna finish off these nails. I will probably show you what they look like after I'm done. This is one of the sets that I just finished. I just have to file them to make them really square. And I have another set here that also needs to be filed. There it is. I am done with this order. I can now relax for the rest of the night. Mondo is watching his soccer game, so I think it's almost over. So I'm gonna go to the living room and maybe watch a movie, and that's gonna be the end of my Sunday.